Now, from your left-hand side, rapidly rising into the sky in his Russian-built Sukhoi SU-31, Airshow pilot and Fuji representative, Mr. Ian Groom, and the fabulous Sukhoi SU-31. And there's his 1, 2, 3 triple snap on takeoff as he climbs out away into Sukhoi SU-31. And Ian, you've got a fairly low ceiling up there today, but I guess you've got a full show planned for us. He's a truly global pilot, one of the most experienced and high-time Sukhoi drivers in the world. Performed and competed at the World Championship level, US, UK, France, Germany, Holland, Italy, Austria, and Japan. Let's watch what he's got in store for us. A 4-point hesitation roll on a 45-degree upline, and then a 2-point roll to invoke and then right side up again. As Ian puts them together here in the big Sukhoi, a reverse 1/2 jibinate brings him out of the sky at a very rapid rate back down to ground level, but now he has about 200 miles per hour accumulated. Taking it back to the wild gray yonder once again, rolling his way up the upline. The incredible 420 meters per second roll rate of the big Sukhoi. The FujiFilm Sukhoi SU-31 is constructed of space-age composites, Kevlar, titanium, and stainless steel, fuselage is a monocoque construction. The aircraft is stressed to plus and minus 23 G, making it one of the strongest aircraft in the world today. Rolling to the right and rolling to the left for any of you there at the left-hand end of the Airshow ramp and saw Ian taxi by or fly by on the way out. Probably noticed that the propeller actually rotates in the reverse direction to that of a conventional US airplane. That means that his normal rolls will be to the right instead of the left. A big round loop separated by 2 complete snap rolls on the top is called the avalanche maneuver. And Ian continues on around the FujiFilm Sukhoi 31. The film's so good they named a mountain after it. Is actually a combination of companies, major aerospace companies, that put together this design to win trophies for the Russian aerobatic team. Well, once again, a big inside or round scoreless loop. I've mentioned some of the materials used in this aircraft. Extensive use of titanium in the aircraft is used throughout. The floorboards, the landing gear legs are actually milled from pure titanium. Ian Groom now reclining in that seat at about a 45-degree angle. The seat specially designed by the Sukhoi engineers to enable the pilot to withstand 4G, with an aircraft capable of performing up to 23 Gs minus and negative is absolutely a necessity in this aircraft. Knife edge now as Ian puts the airplane on the fuselage and following a ballistic curve flies over the top in knife edge flight. The Sukhoi shares many of the cockpit accoutrements with many of its jet-powered cousins. Many of the instruments inside the aircraft, the side rails, the canopy release mechanism, all part of the larger jet variations built by the Sukhoi Design Bureau. The growling sound you hear is coming from that airplane is being fed in the air. 500 horsepower. Radial engine, this 9-cylinder engine, is geared. In other words, the engine turns 3 revolutions for every single revolution of the propeller. Break that 3 times engine, 2 times propeller. There's the move that makes all the blood rush to the bald spot. As Ian pushes his way around the outside, now straining against the straps in that 180-degree inverted turn. Turn now, as Ian continues around the circle, you'll notice he is rolling to the left and turning to the left simultaneously. Very interesting combination of control movements required to make this maneuver work properly. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, as you see Ian right in front of you, we go to the cockpit of the Sukhoi 31, and Ian, a bit of a challenge out there with a low ceiling today. Now I think I see what the problem is. My battery transmitter power is way down. There's the triple snap roll once again to the right when you watch some of the other competitors and performers flying a little later on today with the Cyclone and the Auric XL Cyclone. From your left-hand side in the photo pass, ladies and gentlemen, Ian Groom with the medium engine-powered Sukhoi SU-31. From the Auric XL flight team, Tom Walter. And Tom Walter, you have won yourself what I like to call one of them big suckers. And that's the Auric XL, and there ain't no bigger sucker in the world. I want to tell you, that thing really does clean your floors. The Auric XL, Tom Walter. Go over to the Auric XL booth now. Also, Tony Russo, we called you a little earlier today. You're also an